What is drawing?
Drawing is putting a pencil on paper. Drawing is drawing a pencil over paper. Drawing is pushing the pencil in one direction. Drawing is drawing the pencil in another direction. Drawing is drawing a pen on a tablet. Drawing is adding water to graphite. Drawing is documenting new life. Drawing is documenting growth. Drawing is documenting moments where you are present. Drawing is archiving those moments for the future. Drawing is treasuring those moments from the past. Drawing is zooming in. Drawing is zooming out. Drawing is to orient the viewer or disorient the viewer. Drawing is getting to know a person you don't know, or getting to know yourself. Drawing is constructing. Drawing is estimating. Drawing is acting, expressing good feelings and bad feelings as well. Drawing is done by looking through an instrument. Drawing is done without looking at all. Drawing is traditional. Drawing is contemporary. Drawing is drawing beings of the planet we inhabit. Drawing is drawing beings of a different planet completely. Drawing is depicting reality, or to dream of something else. Drawing is drawing what's on the inside. Drawing is drawing what's on the outside. Drawing is architecture. Drawing is landscaping. Drawing is a mix of both. Drawing is studying. Drawing is doodling. Drawing is cross-hatching. Drawing is really cross-hatching. Drawing is to kill time while waiting for the bus. Drawing is drawing people on the bus. Drawing is brainstorming on many ideas. Drawing is choosing one idea. Drawing is to let colors loose. Drawing is to contain color. Drawing is drawing in the bed. Drawing is drawing from the bed. Drawing is watercoloring. Drawing is inking. Drawing is using all tools available. Drawing is weird. Drawing is scary. Drawing is fun. Drawing is drawing the same thing over and over again. And again, just because you love that shape so much. Drawing are shapes that speak to you. Drawing is touching. Drawing is eating. Drawing is drinking. Drawing is going big. Drawing is going small. Drawing is drawing things that move, or things standing still. Drawing is cultural. Drawing is making references. Drawing is controlled. Drawing is experimental. Drawing makes me tired. Drawing makes me smile. Drawing is frustrating. Drawing is amazing. Drawing is putting a pencil on paper.